So you tried to research internet protocol and you was totally lost, right? But don't worry, players. I got you. And welcome back, crypto geeks. Welcome back, welcome back. I am the one they call Squeak, just another crypto enthusiast that's willing to share this information with anybody. And I mean anybody who wants to hear it. All right. Real quick, if you guys are finding any scams or spams in my YouTube channels, please do not participate in any of those. Just for the record, I'm not going to ask you for donations. I'm not going to send you a WhatsApp tag or ask you for a WhatsApp address. Hell, I barely respond to most of you. So do not, I repeat, do not participate in any scams or respond to any spams that you might see in the comments on these videos. All right, with that being said, DFINITY Foundation's ICP, Internet Computer, the Mercury Genesis launch was just a few days ago, and all the buzz is simmering around the crypto space behind this coin and this project, and rightfully so. But I'm finding that a lot of people are contacting me asking me, hey Squeak, man, I don't understand how this protocol is working. It's not like some of the other things that we've run across. I'm like, yeah, you're absolutely right. It's revolutionizing the internet, the Web3. It's nothing like anything we've ever run across. So Dominic Williams, the founder and CEO of DFINITY Foundation and the ICP protocol, has a few videos out there on YouTube. You guys can search them yourself. I took a couple of snippets and clips from them to try to let him break down exactly how the Internet Computer Protocol works. All right, so jumping right into it, let's slide to the first video.
So next question, what kind of software will the Internet Computer run? The answer is universal software that runs anywhere. It's a thing called WebAssembly. Who here has heard about WebAssembly? Okay, so it's good that some of you heard about it. Everyone needs to hear about WebAssembly. It's going to be absolutely huge. So it's the first open standard for universal software that runs anywhere. You can think about it as a kind of Java that wasn't owned by some microsystems and now Oracle. But of course, Java was designed, 25 years ago or something now, and WebAssembly incorporates all of the learnings that have happened since. It's a really fantastic system. It's a virtual machine, so you can write your software in any language you like, potentially, and it will compile down to the WebAssembly bytecode format and run on the WebAssembly virtual machine. The amazing thing is WebAssembly is already inside all of the major web browsers. So we're looking at mass adoption being a thing in the next 5 years. So,
okay, that's Dominic Williams, CEO, founder of DFINITY Foundation and ICP protocol, letting you know that WebAssembly has already been integrated within all of the browsing and software that's on the internet right now today. ICP only has to patch into that, basically. Right, trying to keep this as simple as possible. He also stated that mass adoption will take place within 5 years. Within 5 years. At the current price, can you imagine how much ICP token will be worth in 5 years? This is a long-term hold for me, definitely, most definitely. Let me let you check out another one. This is going to be a short video, folks. Let me let you check out another one. This is Dominic Williams, I guess at his headquarters, and he's going to give you a quick overview of the DFINITY Foundation and ICP. Again, I'm just taking snippets and clips from these videos. You're welcome to look up into my browser, catch the link, and then Google it yourself or search it on YouTube yourself. All right, so let's go into this one real quick. And let's see what he's saying on here in his own words. Hang on, let me cue it up.
Transformation of the internet is achieved through a new open protocol called ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol. Let's talk some more about it. The Internet Computer is a replacement for the proprietary legacy stack. It's created by independent data centers running ICP, which forms a new kind of blockchain computer. This has unbounded capacity and delivers performance that rivals the traditional cloud. The Internet Computer reimagines software as interoperable compute units called canisters. Software canisters are an evolution of smart contracts. They consist of a bundle of WebAssembly bytecode and the memory in which that bytecode runs. Just like smart contracts, canisters are tamper-proof and unstoppable. However, a key difference is that they are also scalable and parallelizable. Canisters also run at web speed and are highly efficient. As you would expect, they are open and interoperable. That means that if you create a canister using the Rust programming language and share some functions with me, and I create a canister using the Motoko programming language, my Motoko code can call your functions directly. The Internet Computer.
Okay, so basically what he is saying is that the way his code is written in ICP, it will seamlessly merge with all of the previous codes that have been written on the internet IPs. So there won't be any hiccups or glitches. It's basically a one shot, one kill type of deal. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out this other little video that I pulled up. What this one is discussing is the Mercury Genesis launch, which is the actual launch that we as investors have seen with the DFINITY Foundation and ICP coin. I want you to check out this video. It's going to be maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. Bear with me. This is going to pretty much explain the launch, and I guess it's going to kind of sum up what I just showed you. Pretty much. All right, I'm just trying to run through this real quick. It's kind of late here right now. My wife is asleep, and my son is over there asleep in the next room across the way there, across the hall. I'm trying to be real quiet, so it almost sounds like I'm whispering. But anyway, let's run this next video real quick.
The Internet, one of humanity's greatest inventions, a public network created by an open, decentralized protocol that combines millions of private networks into a unified global network, connecting everyone and everything. And it all began with just 4 nodes that connected UCLA, the Stanford Research Institute, UC Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah. The network grew to 29 nodes and then expanded internationally. Decades later, Mark Andreessen and Eric Bina created Mosaic, the first web browser, which later inspired the development of Netscape. The open internet was unfinished, and as its commercial potential became clear, a debate emerged. Should this vast network be governed by decentralized protocols or powerful corporations? In 2009, blockchain technology emerged, a breakthrough that gave rise to governance tokens and smart contracts. Bitcoin became the first cryptocurrency to create digital gold in cyberspace. Soon after, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, which made cryptocurrency programmable and ignited the DeFi revolution. The DFINITY Foundation follows in the footsteps of these networks. Established in 2016, DFINITY introduced a decentralized world computer, also known as the Internet Computer. a limitless blockchain that runs at web speed and can host all of humanity's software and data. The internet was only a global network until now. Now, the Internet Computer extends the web's functionality into a public compute platform, enabling entrepreneurs and developers to build directly into the public internet. The internet is returning to its free and open roots, which brings us to this moment, the Mercury Genesis launch of the Internet Computer.
Alrighty then. That's just a quick little summary, a little brief overview of the DFINITY Foundation's ICP. There's one more thing I need to point out to you guys is Endorphin, and I've been trying to find out a little bit more information about Endorphin. Endorphin, right? The plans for Endorphin is stated by DFINITY, a free and open crypto OS, which is operating system, a free and open crypto operating system for smartphones and other end user devices. This article is really interesting. If you skip down here, check this out. Whenever a developer wishes to publish a phone app, for example, they must apply to get into the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android and sign up for the terms and conditions, Apple and Google, and then decide whether the app gets put into the store and distributed or not. And if it does, thereafter they take a huge chunk of the revenue that it generates. Manufacturers of Android devices also have to sign up for Google's terms and conditions. End users only get to see the options that they want them to see, i.e. users and developers are forced into a kind of a walled garden. All right. Check this. The vision of Endorphin is essentially that all apps or dApps, decentralized apps, should be built using the combination of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, media, and WebAssembly. Remember this term, this name, WebAssembly. It's gonna keep popping up. All right, just like other websites. Web technology also now allows hardcore client side code to be written in any language, thanks to WebAssembly, which now runs almost at native speed, freeing app developers from being restricted to Swift on iOS and Java on Android. This is exactly how the vast majority of today's developers want to build. Okay, so this is opening up new territory for developers where they aren't restricted by the majors, by the Apples, by the Androids of the world, by the Facebooks of the world and whatnot, by the LinkedIns of the world. People, this is going to be huge. It's going to take some time. It's a long-term hold. But just think about it. Within 5 years, if you're getting in right now, and this is not financial advice by no means, this is just what I'm doing. But if you were to get in right now, can you imagine the upside? Can you imagine the profits? And not only that, you are participating in the next evolution of the internet. Huh? Come on, man. All right, that's gonna do it for me. I am Squeak the Crypto Geek. You have been watching The Reset. Well, over here we keep it 100. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not offer financial advice. Y'all know the motto.
Hustle at your own risk.